Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen today, it is continuously on the downtrend. As you can see, a red candle is forming. But if you look at the previous day, what we have seen, there is a doji candle is forming, but you can see that the candle is trying to move upside. Okay, so that is where it tries to go on the greener side. Okay, it has made a high of around $2.7038 and a low of around 2.6290. okay, this is the low of this zone and a high of this particular zone. So what you can see, that if the price comes close to this level, a further upside we can see, because that is already being tested twice. Okay, now this is the first thing about these two candles. But previously, if you go, we can see a pattern is forming. After that, there is a fall and there are further upside we can see. Okay, and this is the trend where the price of natural gas is moving for so long. As soon as it tries to go upside, a further upside we can see, because it has already made a high of around $2.8236, okay, a day before. So now if you look at this particular chart, this pattern is forming. Chances are very high, if this level sustain, it will cross a level of around $2.69, and from there it will cross that particular zone, and chances of going towards 2.7360 is there. As soon as sustain this level, a further upside we can see. Okay, this is about this particular ring. If we go beyond, a U pattern is forming here also, and this U pattern is forming here also. Okay, now before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this particular level, chances are very high, because if you look at this particular trend, there is a probability is very high that if the price sustain, we can see it will cross a level of around $2.704, and chances are high it will cross that particular zone, and probability of crossing a level of around 2.7295 is also there. After crossing this level, we can see it will cross a level of around $2.7295, and after that a probability of crossing a level of 2.7613 is there. That is also being tested. So chances are high it will cross that particular level, and a probability of going towards 2.7816 is there. Okay, if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it will cross a level of around $2.826, and from there a further high towards 2.8693 is there. Okay, and then there is a probability of further upside movement, and we can see it will touch a level of around $2.92. If the price sustain above this level, we will see that it will cross a level of around $3.053. That is the high of this zone. So chances are very high it will cross that particular zone, and a probability of touching that level we can see, and then after that it will cross that particular level, and we can see it will touch a level of around $3.0874. Okay, why I am telling you all this, because there is a pattern forming, and if the price sustain above 2.8, our chances of going further upside we can see. Okay, and the price move of that level, we can see it will touch a level of around $3.326, and from there a further high we can see towards a level of around $3.4026. Okay, if the price sustain above this level, a further high we can see. Okay, now understand something, because as you have to understand, the market is always uncertain. If you are thinking that it will go up or down, as per you know, it will not. You have to understand here is that the price will move according to what is the data is coming, and the data you will not be knowing, because the when the news comes, the market is already being affected till the time it reaches you. Okay, so always remember to work on the price action. Okay, if you are working on the price action, then there is a higher chances that if you are in a right trend, you can make good amount of money. Okay, with proper SL, because see, a trend can be upside, but there is a volatility. So if you are making a right choice with a higher volatility or lower volatility, which I teach in my workshop also, if you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that, and we can work on the timing. So you can always be on a positive side. Okay, so suppose if the price didn't sustain, what you can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it will go towards its next support of $2.6681, and if the price fall below that level, we can see it will touch a level of $2.6594. Okay, if the price fall below this level, then chances of going towards $2.6040 is there. Okay, and once it started falling below this level, a further fall we can see towards a level of 2.56 to $1. Keep that in mind because there is a pattern forming. After the price fall below a level of $2.63, chances are very high it will go further low, and a probability of touching a level of $2.6040 is there, and from there a further down towards a level of 2.5662 is there. If the price fall below this level, a probability of moving further down we can see, and chances of going towards a level of 2.5208 will be there, and from there we can see it will touch a level of $2.4904. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, a further fall we can see, and a probability of crossing a level of 2.4683 is there, and from there a further down we can see towards a level of $2.408. As soon as it moves out of this zone, you will see it will go towards a level of $2.3 to a level of 2.2 and then further low. Keep that in mind because as soon as a zone breakout happens, that we have not seen since 2 months, okay, and a zone in $3 and $2 we have not seen since 7 months. So chances are very high if it moves below level 2.4, a further fall towards 2.2 we can see, and then we can see it will go towards $2.084 and then further down. As soon as the price fall below this level, $2, a further fall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.